So we got the EMAs crossed here. As you can see, momentum pulled back up to that area of interest on the hourly. As you can see there, that's why we took that entry there yesterday. Came back down as we broke structure again to the downside. Consolidated here last night. Now we're retesting that EMAs, those EMAs here. So once we come down from the EMA with rejection, we should be seeing if we're gonna get that close below structure with a bearish engulfing out of this candle. If we get a bearish close, then we should be looking for something that looks like this down to our next area of slowdown, which won't be until we get to this point here, right? So anywhere within this area of this gray box here is where we're going to be looking for that bullish activity to kick back in, because we have structure here, and we broke and closed above, never retested this area of bullish activity. So this is going to be our bullish level, or it can be TP, right? So that's where you're going to be looking to take profit on your selling activity, because at this point, we should be seeing some bullish activity. We could use this as a TP2, right? So this could be a TP2, and a TP3 could be this black line, because as you can see, we still have resistance there as well. And this one candle broke two areas of structure. So that's what we're going to be looking for. Let's go to the 30-minute real quick, kind of do a little top down to see what's going on. So yeah, 30-minute as well. We have another structure that we can kind of mark up on a 30-minute that I really like right here. And I will make this one yellow to ensure that, we have an understanding of where that is going to be at. And then this will be our setup that we will look to take. We'll be risking about 60 points on this right here to make about 190. We're going to just go for 200 points today, right? So if we can get 200 points off this play, it would be great. And this play is all based on if we can get that close below structure.
Let's get it.
All right, bet. So the setup is just dropped for you guys. Let's take a peek at Nas though yesterday, because I didn't really give you guys a recap on Nas. But yesterday I called out after the US30 trade. I know some people had missed the US30 trade just due to how fast it was moving. So I called out Nas as off like a kind of a triple top type of look. You see, we got a top there, top here, top here, but really more so this double top look where I was telling you guys we have a top here, neckline, a top here as well, and then we have a breakup trend. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, once we go up, tap this area, if we keep rejecting, we get that close that we need, we'll end up breaking trend line, breaking EMAs, breaking a lot of area that's for support, breaking a lot of support up here, right? We got a trend line support, structure support, EMAs support, you know what I'm saying? So once we end up breaking all of these support areas, I knew that this was really going to fall. And one of our students was actually able to pass his money yesterday off this exact trade that I sent out after we took US30. So really, really well, really, really good play. So today, this is what we're going to be looking for on 30 or YM. And this is what we're going to be looking at today. So right now, we can't really do much but wait. We still got about 10 minutes before the market really opens. So we just going to sit and vibe, sit and vibe. I'm going to pause the recording real quick, and then I'm going to restart it. But I wanted to make sure that, you guys knew, and I let you guys know again on the call that we will be in the main chat again come Monday. Just wanted to make sure that we locked in with these personal mentorship students and shit like that, really get some progress moving on this end of things before we got back into the full group. So if you need, wait 1 second, trying to mark up my trade locker because we will be entering this trade here soon. For the sell opportunity, I want to see if we can get some drop before 9:30 kick in. Um, I low key want to tag one early, but I'm not. You know, it's only we only got 4 minutes, so we can wait. What 3 minutes and 20 seconds? We can wait before we tag one. Like I said though, guys, make sure that we are um keeping our eyes peeled. Do not pop anything at 9:30 yet until I let you guys know that the close and the confirmations that we getting are what we need right now. I do not want you guys popping at 9:30 and then we're in drawdown for no reason. You know what I'm saying? So let's just make sure that we're taking the right steps and we're doing the right shit. So we just need this candle to close below EMA. Really, that's all we really need. I really want to see this candle push back down, close below yellow, and really give us that confirmation that we need for bearish activity to really kick back in. With the bearish engulfing, we should be a retest to that EMA and white yellow level here. Take us back to the downside for a good 190 points. But we got 2 minutes left, so this very much could start to pick up to the downside any second now. So we about to see what's going on. We about to see what's going on, man. We got 2 minutes, literally 2 minutes. It's pushing up right now. Um, but yeah, we always, we're gonna keep our eyes peeled. We're gonna keep our eyes peeled, especially with EMAs crossing bearish and shit like that yesterday. Let's take a peek at these higher times. Yeah, I think we go bearish. I'm not gonna lie. I think we go bearish, chat. I low key wanna be a little risky and pop one like now, but I'm gonna wait a little bit. Wait a little bit. See if we can get one more push down. We got a minute and 25 seconds left. This candle has to be the one that really. Wait, actually, let's drop down to the 15-minute real quick. We might be able to see something that we're missing. Structure. Boom. Okay, we got structure here. So we should get rejection off this yellow area here, off this 15-minute. We should get some rejection off this area here. So I'm gonna just make this one, let's make this one green. So off this green area, we should reject off this green area right here and come back down. I don't like us closing above EMA. I want to see if this candle can close below EMA, and that'll really give us the confirmation we need to pop at 9:30, to pop the sales at 9:30. We got 45 seconds. Let's see how this candle closes. There we go. There we go. This is the close we need right here. This is the close we need. We're going in for sales at 9:30 if we get a good close. Yeah, it's looking like we're about to be going for sales at 9:30, guys. This is the perfect close that we need right here. Yep. All right. Play confirmed. We're going for sales at 9:30. Everybody be ready to take y'all sales off the retest of this area here. Cool? Cool. Just dropped it in the Discord. I am taking sales at 9:30, and that's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. New candle. Opened up. Once we get this push up, of this candle, and we retest this area here, we're gonna be in. All right, pushing up, pushing up. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. Oh, my trade locker going slow. My trade locker moving slow. No. Okay, okay, there it is. There it is. All right, I'm in this cell, guys. I'm in the cell. We're gonna see how this shape up. Just enter right where this entry is, right on the top of this yellow level. You see EMAs right there. Broke structure to the downside, rejecting off the EMA. We should see rejection from this area. We broke 1, 2, 3, basically 3 structure levels. So let's see if we can get this drop off from this area here now. Again, I am in the sale on US30 right now. So let's see if we can get, this to carry us how we need it to, especially after this great confirmation bearish close that we got. We getting some push right now. I don't think that this push is going to really carry us that hard. I don't believe so. So right now I'm just waiting. Right now I'm just waiting. My stop loss is a little higher. It's like above right here. But you see, we got a little bit of liquidity kicking in. I do want to see rejection, though. I do want to see rejection. I'm not surprised at the liquidity on Wednesday, though. It is Wednesday, so I'm not, I'm not tripping about the liquidity at all. I'm gonna give myself a little bit more wiggle room. We're gonna go 80 points today, just because it's Wednesday. Give myself a little more wiggle room, and we'll just go 1 or 2 today. We'll go 1 or 2 risk to reward. So we'll risk 80 points to get like 180, 160 type, somewhere around there. So. Still in the trade though. Like I said, this trade just started. Literally, we only 1 minute into the trade, so expecting some liquidity off the open up, but I'm expecting this to kind of die out and really give us what we need here soon. Um, and this is Wednesday. Win, lose, or draw, we're gonna post this shit on YouTube, man. But I really think this sell is about to kick in for us. I'm not gonna cap chat. Not gonna cap. Not gonna cap. Come on, come on. I just need some rejection. Just give me some good rejection. That's it. We got a really, really good entry right at the EMA. Like, just give me some rejection now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. That bit kicking in. Come on. That bit about to kick in. Kick in. Here we go. Here we go. Kick in. Come on. Kick in. Kick in. Candle flip buster. We get a candle flip buster. We break this wick right here. We going impulse. Chat. We going impulse. Come on. Candle flip buster for me. Let's do it. Let's do it. That's my impulse level. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let's do it. Let's do it, 30. Reject. Reject. It just took us in profit and then pull us back up. It's a lot of liquidity, though. It's a lot of liquidity. It's going to be a slower day, like I told y'all guys before the call started, before we enter the trade. It's going to be a lot of liquidity. It's going to be a slower day. It's Wednesday. It's the middle of the week. We all know this. We've been doing this for a while. So it's all cool. We're just going to sit and relax. We're going to wait. We're going to see what's going on. I ain't ready to let go. But Trade Locker they gotta get some faster processors or something, man. Like I remember when we was using MetaTrader, click that bitch enter, enter, enter. You could click that shit 100 times and that shit's gonna enter on time every single time you click it.
Bro, I
Trade
swear.
Locker. With Trade Locker, bro, you click that shit and like the shit be waiting and delayed and all this other shit. Like, bro, shit is ridiculous. Come on, don't put too much liquidity in there for us today. Don't put too much in there. We down about 50 points right now, which is really that's usually our max, but I added some leverage to it today, some wiggle room today, because it is Wednesday. Come on, 30. Come on, brother. What are you doing? Reject, man, reject. We got the confirmation for the sell though, man. So, just staying strong right now. Sticking to our analysis, staying strong with what we need. We still got the rejection on the hourly and everything. We got good rejections. Look, EMA is here, EMA crossed. We should just reject off EMA. We broke structure on a 30-minute to the downside. We should be looking for bearish activity, man. We got all the confirmations we need. We just gotta wait. I know the sell bias is really in play today, though, man. I know the sell bias is in play.
I just got in.
Because if,
Yeah.
say it again.
So I just got in.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I know the sell bias is here, bro. I know the sell bias is here today. I know it's here, especially with all the confirmations we got. I know the sell bias is here. And I know, I'm down 60 points right now. Now we're down 47. You see how we just dropped 20 points like that? 37 points. Like, you just gotta stay strong, man. I know it's gonna be some liquidity, man. We're just gonna stay strong. We're gonna stay strong. Because once this liquidity die out, and once this bullish liquidity die out, and this selling start to kick in, oh yeah, Dar she fucking blows, chat. Dar she fucking blows. Are you ready to let go, my nigga? Let's go, man. Let's drop. Let's drop. Let's drop. Here we go. Sellers kicking in. Sellers fighting back. Sellers fighting back. Fight back. Fight back. Fight back. Fight back. Let's get some tunes running, man. Let's get some tunes running. Get some tunes. Some tunes. Bang, bang.
Niggas, we get money, bitch, that can get 600 track with these niggas, these niggas, she listen, I might drink some cream. A nigga play with me next day, better
Come on, 30. Come on.
so now big hundred some feet. Came in, ball, they call up the big. I was stepping on shit like a nigga with big feet. Checking that sack up here.
Listen, guys, don't panic. I noticed it. I know it. I know y'all probably panicking. It's only 40 points. It's only 40 points, man. It's only 40 points. But yeah, we just gotta see this rejection really kick in. It's not there yet. We're only 7 minutes in. It's probably about to kick in here soon. But I do like the rejection that we get in. I do like the fact that it can't keep this, you know what I'm saying? It's not strong enough to really just pop, 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 really push that bitch up. So, we're gonna chill, we're gonna vibe, we're gonna relax. We're gonna stick to our analysis and let this shit ride, man. Let's look at the futures version of 30. No liquidity over there? Crazy. No liquidity on that.
Shit.
My shit is 10 minute delayed, 10 minutes delayed though too on TradingView because I didn't pay for the futures joint yet. So I mean I am a little delayed. But Nas is dropping, y'all. See Nas is dropping. Feel me? We trading like this, they're like sister pairs. So Nas is dropping. That's a good sign. It's a good sign. Breaker structure 830 retest. It's good. Good, good Nas, good Nas. Nas Nas looking solid. Look at 30 coming back. 30 coming back. Come on, 30. I need you here, 30. I need you here, 30. I need you, I need you, I need you. Okay, okay. We got Z Pack with the good little buster today. Good shit, Zion. Come on. 30's gonna be one of them slow trades. I could see it already. I could see this already. It's gonna be one of them slow ones. That's gonna be one of them slow ones, man. You know us.
It's gonna come through though. It's gonna come through though. Cause
Yeah, I think it's
once it
gonna
break
kick
that
in
gray
just as
box,
soon.
once it break that gray box, I'm getting in again. I'm loading up. Like, what if it break and then retest to the back to the downside?
I just need this candle to flip
Mm-hmm.
bearish, and that shit's gonna blow. That's all I need. I just need to see some red in the candle flip bearish. Long as once we get rid of this whole blue and this shit go red, guys, shit's gonna be lovely. Oh, here we go. Wait, come on, come on, give
Come
me the
on.
red this time. Give me the red this time.
Come on.
Give me the red this time. Give me the goddamn bearish candle. Come on. 9:40. We 10 minutes in, man. Come on. Got 20 minutes until the next candle open. So we need this candle to go in and start kicking that bearish activity in. 9:45. We get 5 more minutes. We got a new 15-minute candle. So I need this candle to really start acting right, man. I need this candle to really start acting right, rejecting, start going down. Come on, there we go. Start acting right. Start acting right.
Nope. No, that's not acting right. Other way.
No doubt. Other way.
Like, other way.
What you got going on?
Good though. It's gonna happen.
Shit's about to pay. Watch.
Like that
Don't
shit's
worry
going
about it.
to
I got my
pay. That bitch.
special lever right here. You know what I'm saying? I about to hear it. That Lil Wayne flick. There it go.
Hey Jaden, I got two goddamn student testimony videos to shoot this weekend. One with um one with my boy Hefe Harvey,
You know
and we
it.
got
You know it.
one with
Brr.
Benz.
Ben's in the city too.
Ben's stay in the city.
Yeah.
That's the bet. Just let me know. We'll link up with him. Go to Crave and shoot some content.
Yeah, hell yeah.
That bitch
Come
cooking.
on, 30. Don't make me class today, brother. Like, come on, man.
Yeah,
Lock in. We just took great W's to start the week. Like, come on. I know you got some liquidity, you know. I know it's Wednesday, middle of the week. Fuck with your boy though. Down what, 60 points right now?
yeah, I got it a little bit later than y'all, so I'm only down like 20 points.
This shit's about to drop, bro, and I know it. And this right now, this right here is just getting all those little scared, little weak traders out. The ones that's entered all low and fucking their account over right now, thinking this trade is shot. Then they gonna pull their sales out, and this bitch gonna doop 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 drop all the way down. We're gonna look back at this motherfucker at 1 o'clock. This bitch gonna been done sold off on our ass. But it's crazy though, because this area is really an area of support with like a lot of bullish, reaction. So like
Yeah,
with us being right here, like we like this candle flip bearish is really gonna give us a really, really good drop. So we have to get this bearish reaction and break below this black line. Because as you can see, you got support here that bought up from this black line, right? Tapped here again, bought up again, right? And you can see we took a sell entry from this point on what went on Monday. We took a sell, broke structure to the downside, got a really good entry, went into profit, and then eventually bounced off this area of support and pushed back up. And as you can see now, this area of support has been really, really strong. You know what I'm saying? You can see it's been 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth time we've come to this area and started pushing, back to that upside from that point. And we closing in on SL right now, actually. We crept SL, like I'm talking about crept that bitch. Literally, we missed SL by like 1 point, I think. Oh, wait. We like 2 points away up, and SL just got tapped. Oh,
but you got a 50-point SL.
well, I went 70 points today, which is cool. I'm not tripping. Oh, my trade locker is frozen. Like trade locker is the worst. All right, so from here, you know, we right now we sit and wait. Right now we sit and wait, win some, lose some. It is what it is. Right now we sit and wait. We coming off a major, major day. Wednesday, like I said, Wednesday has a lot of liquidity though. So it's a lot of indecision and liquidity. We got a very, very great setup this morning for the sell opportunity. Took the sell, was playing around this area for a while, eventually chose direction to the upside to these areas of resistance. But these are areas of rejection. So like I said before, we all know that the areas of rejection is just, gonna be the area where we're gonna take our bearish activity from. So with us being that we took this sell right here, right? We took this sell. Liquidity took us out. We risked about 70, 80 points on this play right here. Nothing too crazy. We usually risk about 50. So we gave us about 20, 30 extra points today to kind of give us some more wiggle room due to it being Wednesday. But we still end up manipulating and pushing back to the upside off this area of support, which we knew that this was a very, very good area of support. We just had the very good confirmation with breaker structure to the downside, which is why we took sell opportunities. We don't trade off nothing but confirmation. For the people that's in here that, um, may not be in a mentorship just yet, we only trade off confirmation. So If this candle was to close above structure here, we will look for a retest to that area and then a continuation to the upside. But the reason I am not looking for a continuation to the upside from that area, and we just gonna hold this little light L right here and re-enter, is because on the 30-minute time frame, as you can see, we have structure here, structure here, structure here, a break and close below, a retest, never really, reacted, right? Now let's come over to this hourly time frame. As you can see, we have structure again on this hourly time frame towards this area up here, right? So once we get towards this area up here, we should be looking to have some more sell entries get kicked in. Let's remove this one and let's remove this one, right? To make it more clean. We should have more sell entries kick in around this area here, right? And everybody got to understand, again, you win some, you lose some, all right? It's not the end of the world. It's only 80 points, my nigga.
But you live to trade another day. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, like, it's not the end of the world, my niggas. 80 points, man. Feel me? Niggas win every day, B. But yeah, so this area here should be an area where, that rejection should kick in. As you can see on the 2 hour as well, if you look right here, we got a lot of rejection that should come from this point. So low key on the low, I do wanna take a entry point from here, like a sell point, but this candle just pushing with so much momentum that it wouldn't be the smartest thing to do right now. But I do think that this could very much just reject from this area here, being that we got the pushback to the upside to this area here. But um, with it being Wednesday, it could rally. It could be one of those days where we rally back up and then Thursday we sell again. But we do know now that once we get back down towards this area of like 42,758 around this little threshold here, we should be looking for nothing but either bullish activity or if we get another setup that looks like this, we going with the sell again. Because listen, and this is not really trading wise now. I'm really going more into like breakdown of like, why we just missed this trade and things of that nature. But um when you have area support like this, right, you don't want to just base it area of support and be like, all right, I got an area of support. I'm buying every time that bitch touch it. Because no, that's not what happened every time. Like obviously for the past 5, 6 times it tapped, it did buy. But it could be that seventh time that come down and then it'd be the one that give us this setup here with the breaker structures, bearish engulfing, all of this that we got right here. And then it's going to give us that drop that we really need to this next area of interest, which is down here, because this is where you should have bullish activity from, right? So it's just all really sticking to your plan, but really understanding that once you get down to these area of support, it's not just, oh, we have support, let me buy. No, it's look at the setup that you get when you at support. This setup that we got while we was at support with a lot of consolidation, rejection of the EMAs and things of that nature, this setup is really well. You feel what I'm saying? And even if we took a sell opportunity from the area of structure where we at right now, if I just put a mock trade here, right? Let's just do a mock trade. If you want to take the trade, feel free. You know what I'm saying? It's your money, your account, whatever. I do think that the rejection will come from this area, but I don't think that um it very much could not drop. It very much could not go back down to the downside. But I do think that the liquidity really is what just took this to this area here. I slick do want to pop one though. Like if we get a pushback, let me see what the 15-minute look like. Yeah, 15-minute structure retest. I don't know. EMA is crossing bullish. It could go either way, but I do think based off strategy and things of that nature, this would have been my entry right here. If I was to enter one more time, I would have entered a sell opportunity here based off us having support, breaking close below, no retest of that area of structure. And now you can see we retest the area of structure and now we're coming back down. So I do think that this is probably just going to start to come back down. It's just a lot of liquidity today. I do think that this could drop back down, especially if this candle ends up closing in between EMAs, then I think the next candle will take us down to that downside. But I might try to fish for an entry up here where we at now. Just to kind of, matter of fact, I'm taking one. It's my final entry, bro. It's my final entry of the day. I just took one from Mike right here. Like when we bounced up, took one from like right, boom ski. Really not it's not the best entry point. If we push up one more time, I'm gonna take my entry point that I really want. But it's Wednesday. I just keep it low risk. If you decide to take this, do a point on one and leave it at that. But this is just something that I'm seeing. We very much could possibly get rejection. I'm not saying this 100% right now because it's Wednesday. Liquidity is really kicking in. So, to each his own. Thursday is a better day. Friday is a better day. But if you wanna, if you wanna take this opportunity to get some entry on it, some bread back after we just took that light little loss, you very much can. But that is completely up to you. I'm just giving the breakdowns and what I think would look good. And just based off the strategy and what we're looking at, I do feel like this area will be an area of rejection for US30. Um, will it hold and drop us all the way down today? Probably not. It'll probably give us back to our area of support and start consolidating again how we got to right here. But I do think I don't think it will push past this red level. I think it'll start to reject from this area and head back down to the downside. This really should have been, the entry point, but with us breaking structure, what, 1, 2, 3 times and breaking a major support, that was that area where we look to, um, hop in at. So it's all good. We are solid, and that is pretty much it on a day today. Not gonna lie. Bro, why is
If you look at it, bro, on the 4 hour, bro, that's just a shoulder for real. So I think it's just gonna retest that shoulder for a continuation to the downside, bro. No cap, like
Well,
that's like, cause I'm still in my first trade. Like, I didn't even spank my SL yet.
I see what you're talking about.
You feel what I'm saying? So I feel like it's just retesting this shoulder right now, so it can get some more momentum to the downside because it broke that low, so it got to retest something. Which is, so I'm thinking it'll retest that shoulder, not fully break all the way through, but come back down, retest under it, drop back down to the downside.
Yeah, yeah. I'm seeing it though. I see the left shoulder, the head right here, right shoulder retest. Yeah, I see what you're seeing though. I see what you're seeing. That's why I mean I'm with the sell bias. I'm not against the sell bias at all. I really think the sell bias is way better than this little liquidity that's kicking in. That's why I said potentially you could take an entry from this point and see bearish activity from it. But with this head and shoulders and the confirmations that we got, I really do think bearish activity is really what we should be looking for, guys.
Yeah.
Within this area up here. Actually, you can see the head and shoulders on the 2 hour as well. You can see it here. You got rejection, rejection, rejection. This is the left shoulder. Head is at the top. Right shoulder is right here. So once it create that right shoulder, we should probably see a lot of fall from this area. I do think this is a good area of entry though for selling activity. And I got an entry in right here. So wherever this box is right here, this is where my entry is currently. I popped one more. So I only took one entry down at the bottom, and I'll take one entry up here. Every day we max ourselves out at around like 2, 3 trades. We don't do nothing past that. 2, 3 trades, we max out. And now you can see the rejection that we're getting. We up 23 points right now, actually. Actually looking good.
You know what I'm saying? And even like, I feel like this a longer hold. Like, this
Yes,
nigga, we
I
got a
knew today was
hold.
gonna be one of those longer trading sessions, um, which is why I just, kind of made sure that um I made sure everybody knew that today was gonna be one of the longer ones. But we're gonna see how this shape up out this hourly. You see we got structure here, head and shoulders on the higher time frame. So we're gonna see what kind of rejection we can get out this area. That's our first little loss from the morning. And then this is our second one. So right now we're just gonna sit and wait. We're gonna wait a little bit. We're gonna take this second entry point. We're gonna vibe out.
I just need this entry point in the next 4 minutes to close under that zone. We close under that zone, bro. The next candle just gonna fill in the wick to the upside a little bit to get some push for the downside. Okay, that's what I'm thinking. You know what I'm saying? These my two trades, and if these
Yeah, it's
hit,
my
that's
final. It's my final trade of the day.
yeah.
I don't win. If I don't win this trade, then it's quit. First trade lost 80 points, so we got to get at least 180 points on this to come out with 100 points today. So we lost 80 points on the first trade. We up 21 points right now on this position that we're in. So let's see what's going on. If we get rejection and we close below these EMAs, that'll be great. I really want to see if we can get the rejection that we need from this area of structure though. Again, on the 4 hour and 2 hour, you see the left shoulder, head, right shoulder reaction. Again, on the 2 hour, left shoulder, head, right shoulder reaction, right? So we're gonna see if we can get some creation of rejection from this area here, which is a shared area of resistance right here on the 2 hour time frame at 42,909, around that 43,000 level. So Rico. Really, all we can do right now is wait, guys. All we can do right now is wait. We down 80 points right now so far, guys, on the day. Just transparently speaking. I'm only risking 60 points on this play. So I'm only risking 120 today in total, 120 points. So we end up losing the first one. You guys can see. So now we're gonna see if we can get rejection from this area of rejection up here. And again, it's not guessing. You feel what I'm saying? We already went through the analysis and everything, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, everything like that. So we chilling. We're just waiting to see what kind of reaction we're gonna get off this 30-minute. Hopefully we get this 30-minute to really pull back. But we got 25 seconds until this candle closes to that next hourly candle open. So I do want to see if we can just get some candle ending rejection. But if not, I might well, no, I'm not gonna pull. Because this is good though, actually. As long as we get a close below our shoulder, right? As long as we get a close below our shoulder, we should be fine, right? Because on the shoulders, you want to see this. You want to see rejection. You want to see reaction, right? So as you can see here, we got a lot of reaction. Bring close above, retest that shoulder, and then push back up to create that head, that max out. Now we got the head here. Now we come down. Once we get back to this area here, we want to see if we can reject. We got area of structure where the bearish activity should kick in, structure, break of EMAs and things of that nature. So we're gonna see if we can get, some rejection out this hourly to really give us that head and shoulders pattern. But new hourly candle close still within the head and shoulders area, still up under rejection and still up under our structure level. So still gonna stay in this trade, stay in this opportunity here. And we're gonna see how we shape up. We got the candle flipping bearish right now, so we're gonna see how we shape up. If we can get this candle to engulf and close with at least 50% of this last candle, then we know that the bearish activity is kicking back in, and we'll probably see it rally back to the downside. So if anybody is in this play, it's one of those plays where you're gonna have to set your SL and come back. You know what I'm saying? Once it get to a point and we just looking and looking and looking and ain't nothing really happening. So like I said on Wednesdays, guys, we know Wednesdays is pretty risky trading. Um, you know, you never really know what can happen on Wednesdays. You can only go based off the structure of the market, and that's really every day. You can't predict what happened. You go based off the structure and what it give you. Today it gave us a confirmation that we should have been selling. We was at an area of major support though, but we did come down and close right at that area of support, which is why we sold. end up losing that trade due to liquidity grab. I was expecting to resist off the EMAs, resist off of structure and things of that nature, and head right back down. Ended up pulling up for like 80, 90 points on this one candle here off 930 open. And now we see we have a lot of area of, it was a support here that turned to resistance. And then we have a shoulder for the 2 hour as well at this same area where we have our rejection of support turn resistance at this area where this red box is. And then we have our shoulder. So we good, man. We good. I mean, we just gonna sit and we just gonna relax and wait. We're gonna watch the hourly time frame because it has less candles, and we just gonna do what we gotta do. I'm only gonna be on here for probably about 15 more minutes, probably to about 10:15, and at 10:15, I am going to at 10:15 I'm going to end the call, win, lose, or draw, and I am going to post this on YouTube. So win, lose, or draw, this will be posted. If I got to, I will end the call and I will come back in like a few hours, check the trade. If the trade completely lost, I will do a video and I will recap it and then add it to the end of that video, kind of like oh, I came back to the setup and we end up losing type shit. You know what I'm saying? We'll do something like that. I'm gonna figure it out, but yeah, for right now, I am going to stop this recording here.